Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. Today I'll show you how I created this cowl neck top. It's super easy and straightforward. You can make it in 30 minutes. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Alright guys, so there's no pattern making in this one. The first measurement you need is how long you want your cowl neck to be. So for mine, I think this was about what I used, and it was like 46 inches. Then the next measurement you'll need is from your shoulder to where you want your top to stop. And then the last measurement will be your neck circumference. The first thing I'm going to cut out will be a rectangle which will have the cowl depth and the length of the top. The next thing will be the straps that are attached to the back of the top, and I used 8 inches by 1 inch. And finally, I have the band for the neck. To begin the sewing process, I'll start off by hemming the 4 corners. So this is the band for the neck, and I've ironed my interfacing to the bottom piece, which is my lining piece. So right sides together, I'm going to sew all 4 corners, and I'll leave a space at the bottom here so I can attach it to the neckline of the top. Now I'll bring back my rectangle, and the longer part up here, I'm going to bend it inward, and this is what will give me my cowl neck. Then I'm going to take the band for the neck, and in that space I left, I'll insert these 2 edges in there. I'll take this to my sewing machine and I'll stitch it down. After that is done, I'll set it aside and create my straps for the back of the top. The final step of the top is to attach the elastic to the side here. To finish the back of the top, you can actually do whatever you want to do. If you want to use tiny rope, you can. If you want to use elastic just the way I did, you can. Basically anything you want to do at the back here, you simply can. So that's the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. I'll be there to reply you. I'll see you next time.